All right, let's go to a new customer's house here. It's got a leak through ceiling, and let's make this a lifelong client. We're in the beautiful borough of Queens, the neighborhood of Howard Beach. Let's go see John. John, how you doing? How are you, sir? Nice to meet you. Here's some of my cards.
Oh, good.
All right. How you doing? How'd you find out about us?
There's a place on in Ozone Park.
Okay.
On Cross Bay Boulevard.
Okay. Brothers?
No, Brothers. Everybody knows that.
Been there forever, right?
But
The
they don't
landmark.
fix plumbing.
Okay.
But there's a plumbing place, a commercial plumbing place, Murata.
Murata. Okay. Yeah.
And
Very well.
whoever answers the
Good
phone, he
people.
says, talk to you.
Good people. Well, I'm here to help now. So show me your problem, and hopefully it's nothing too out of the ordinary. But I think I've seen it. I've seen it all in this trade. I've seen it all. But let's give up. All righty, I'll follow you. Beautiful home you got here, John.
What's that?
Beautiful home you got
Thank
here.
you.
Beautiful neighborhood. I love the neighborhood of Howard Beach.
Yeah. Where do you live?
I'm in Queens. Grew up in Maspeth,
Right?
right outside the Midtown Tunnel.
Oh.
It's it's very industrial over there now. It's changed.
Well, then you go, I'm Roma's right over there.
Iron Brothers right there, Grand Avenue. That's a staple of the neighborhood.
Okay, I got a Grohe faucet here.
Okay, Grohe shower body here.
You're familiar with that.
Okay, very.
I bought a new one because
Okay.
I think I know what the problem is. Okay, I think the goddamn thing is pretty old, about
Okay.
30 years.
Okay.
May have gone, but who knows?
Okay.
I'd like you to replace it in any case.
Okay. I thought you originally called for a leak through the ceiling.
We're going.
Okay,
I'm
so
just showing, this is the bathroom that we're talking about that's
leaking
when I take a
downstairs.
shower in the morning, I get some drops back.
Okay. Okay, so we're here to replace the shower cartridge also.
You are.
Okay.
I
Let's have a
never
look.
done that. I've done it a few times myself, but
Yeah, Grohe's a reputable company. Did you call them and get that cartridge from them directly?
no, yeah, I did. I bought it on the web.
Okay. Did they charge you an arm and a leg?
No, that's, you don't want to know what that cost.
Yeah, I know what it cost.
Well, you know what the faucet cost.
I know what it cost, yep.
This was years ago, but they make a good product.
They sure do.
Now, please don't look at the ceiling, because what happened here last week is unfortunately, I flooded the toilet. So
Okay.
I took all the tile out.
Okay.
Okay, the problem that we get is I
Okay.
get a little drip right over here. Now,
Okay.
this gives you an idea of what I'm talking about.
Okay.
Not much,
Alrighty.
but it's a pain in the ass.
Mm-hmm.
And I have 5 daughters, and they're on my case to have the leak repaired.
Okay. Let's have a look
Let
at
me
it,
get
John.
this thing
What do you see?
to
You see any sort of piping in there?
Pardon me?
You see any sort of piping in there? Do you
Yeah,
see the
those-
trap for the shower?
The trap I have, you see there's a trap over here in back of you.
Okay.
Here's a trap from upstairs, you know.
Alright, this is the stack here that picks up the toilet. Here's the trap we're looking for. You see that trap there?
Yeah.
See that trap? That's your shower stall right there.
Oh, okay.
Right?
Yeah.
But I don't see anything in this vicinity here. Does that make sense? I don't see any plumbing here except
No,
for the
there
dry
isn't.
event. Except for the dry event.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
We can check the integrity of the tile up there.
No, considering the size of the trap and the size of the leak,
Right.
it ain't a tile problem.
Okay.
I'm an engineer by profession, mechanical.
You are.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not that.
So
it's
what's
any
your,
different.
in
I'm
your
useless.
expertise, what do you suggest it's coming from? Let me hear your point of view.
What I would do if I was younger,
Okay.
I'd take the goddamn Grohe valve out, check it, make sure the leak is not originating there. And the only reason one of the reasons I'm suggesting that possibility is the leak is small. It isn't, you know, and secondly, I go in the shower and I shower all over the goddamn place.
Okay.
Now, initially, I thought the leak was on the grouting, okay?
Right.
But I checked the grouting.
Right.
I replaced it.
Right.
And that didn't, I need that at a later time.
Okay. So you don't suspect it's coming from the grout?
No.
Okay. So what we could do is, you see these two water lines right here, these 2 half-inch lines?
Yeah.
Right? They go to your shower valve,
Right.
95%. And we're going to take off the cover plate off of the Grohe shower valve, and we're going to run the water.
Right.
We're going to see if we see the shower valve itself dripping. We're going to see if the shower arm where the shower head comes out of the side of the wall, we're going to see if that's dripping.
You understand what I'm getting at? What I'm really saying is, this is a half-ass leak. This is not a goddamn.
Correct.
So
We got to do some process of elimination, though, that's for sure.
okay.
So we're going to do some testing. Okay? So let's go check the condition of that shower stall again, because I didn't get a good look at it.
Okay.
Let's see. Let's see. I'll follow you, John.
You
Yeah?
can tell the
All right.
way.
Let's see. Hopefully I don't get lost in this big house. How do I get back to that bathroom now? Let's see.
I think you could make it. I have
My memory's not as good as I get older, you know?
No, you're talking about me, aren't you?
No, you look like... No, I have a plug here. So if I start soaking the tiles around, I need to plug up this drain, because I'm not going to know
I see.
if it starts leaking, if it's coming from the grout or the drain. How's the shower head? Is the shower head loose by any means?
No.
Oh, that's a long shower arm they gave you.
Oh, it's
Wow, look at that. You know, sometimes it could come from here too as well. But I'm pretty sure it's coming from there, John.
okay. Sounds good.
So why don't we do this? I'll get a 2-inch plug for this. We'll plug that up, right?
Right.
We'll spray some water around the enclosure.
Right.
We'll wait a few minutes, see if we see any drops down there, and then we'll move on to the next step. So let me go get a plug, grab some basic hand tools, and we'll do a process of elimination.
That'd be great.
Sound good? All right, John. I'll be right back, all right?
Take it soon.
Okay. All right. One main concern or observation when you're dealing with the ceiling leak coming from a bathroom, guys, most importantly, check the integrity of the tile enclosure around the vicinity of the bathroom, especially the shower, especially the tub enclosure. So first observation, take a great look at the tiles, or the grout, if you may say. Let's go grab a 2-inch test plug. 2-inch test plug, that's what I like to use. Let's grab some basic hand tools. Let's grab a screwdriver. Let's grab a pair of channel locks. And let's go see if we can do a process of elimination and see where this leak is actually coming from. But I have a good inclination of where it's coming from. Where the roll of toilet paper is? Yeah, that's my next thing, because I can see this door, the integrity of this shower door is, there's some imperfection here, and you know, it's old, so it's,
Wait a second now. What the hell are you applying? People who are old or doors that are old? When do you get old? You're going to have the same fucking problem. You know?
I hear it already, John. I feel it. I can feel it. It's not easy getting old.
Look, when you get to be 92.
Is that how old you are?
Yeah.
I wouldn't think a day over 62, but man,
Bullshit.
you look good, man.
You know how to hurt a guy.
Hurt a guy?
You know how to tell the guy.
Tell the guy, I'm on your side, you know? I know what it's like, man. I feel it. I feel it.
If you've got hard work, you do it more so than I ever did.
Hard work is right. Hard work pays off. That's what I always say, too, you know?
That's what they call you. Don't believe it.
Don't believe it? Oh, man, I enjoy the fruits of my labor. I do. I sure do. I enjoy the fruits of my labor. All right, the plumber's here. The plumber's here. All right, let's close this up. We're gonna saturate the area. And I'm gonna go downstairs and see if it's coming from here.
Downstairs and I'll put paper towels in.
Okay, John, that's a good idea. I'm gonna start saturating the area.
Okay.
None of the water is gonna be going down the drain, so if it does leak, we know it's not the drain, we know it's the enclosure around here.
Good point.
Okay, so take your time. All right. Are you still with me on this? Are you still with me on this boring content? Some of you that think I'm boring and I talk too much. Let's see what you think. Are you with me that it's the grout? That it's the integrity of the tiles here? Oh, look at this. Look at this tile. This tile's cracked. I just noticed. Look at this. Now, I'm not blaming it on this, but look at this tile. That's cracked here. And look at this. That's cracked here. When John sits on this, some of the water could be getting down here. What do you guys think? That whole tile's cracked. And he's only getting a very small drip every once in a while. But look at this. Look at this. Come off with my finger. Look at this. Look at this. Guys, where are you putting your money on? All right, let's saturate the area. Here we go. Drain. I'm going to saturate this area. I'm going to saturate this. Saturate that. We're going to saturate this. See any water come out over here. What do you guys think? Anything? Let me know what you guys say. I'm going to saturate everything. Got a little crack right there too. Let's saturate this whole area. Oh, look at that. Look at that. You guys see what I see? Look at that water pooling right here. You see that? Look at that. That water's coming from here right into there. How's it look, John?
Well, I put it there. I put the big towel in there.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna go take a look too, so you don't have to run up and down. Alrighty. Let me know what you find. I'm here. Look at that water pooling right here. That's his problem. That's his problem right there. Alright, so guys, rule out the obvious. Rule out the obvious. Before you go and grab tools, before you go and start breaking walls, opening ceilings, use these as tools to observe. These and this sometimes is better than a set of hand tools because you can rule out the obvious. I know guys that want to come into somebody's house, guns blazing, start taking a hammer to people's walls, ceilings. Those are butchers, those are hacks. So use these, and use these. And some of you that have 4 of these, I used to have glasses when I was a kid, but those of you that have 4 of these, obviously it's better than 2, but use this and use this, and you will solve most of the problems. But look at all this water pooling over here. Look at all this water pooling right here. I'm going to saturate it some more. And I guarantee you that is the problem. Yep. Without a doubt. Without a doubt. Alright, let's go see what John's got downstairs, and we'll replace this Grohe shower cartridge for him. see what we're up against. Let's help this gentleman out. He's a gentleman. Look at that stain. Let's see what he's got here. He said he emptied it. He emptied it. I would say give it some time.
That's not close to any line right there.
That's where, yeah, but you see this, John? Look at this. This is where the laundry chute is, and where's this water coming from, John? See the water there? See the water?
Yeah.
See the water?
Mm-hmm.
Where's this water coming from?
It's the hell.
That's right where the laundry chute is. Do you follow me?
No.
You don't follow what I'm saying? The drip is coming right where the laundry chute is, right?
Yeah. Well.
Where's this water coming from?
No, it's a little more. Actually, the chute is further behind it, so
Yeah, but
the water's coming right about here.
right, same spot,
Yeah.
same vicinity.
Yeah.
Where is this water? Is that a real plant?
Yeah.
Do you water this guy every day?
No.
No.
Wait.
Where is this water coming
This is
from?
closed. This is enclosed. So
Right, but where is this water coming here from?
I don't have.
We just moved this flower pot and there's a pool of water here. Is that coming from the walls that we just soaked? We're gonna find out. Where's that water coming from? There's no water in the flower pot.
Yeah, but it's a different pot. In other words, you see, this is a pot within a pot.
It's a pot within a pot.
Yeah.
Is there water in this pot?
Yeah.
Do you water that thing?
I do.
You do.
Once a week.
Is it possible that...
It's right.
Okay. Is it possible that that water got in here?
No, not likely.
Not likely?
There's no hole in this.
Okay, I'm just ruling out the obvious, you know?
Oh, yeah. Maybe you have to.
Ruling out the obvious. Let's see if I saturate this again, if that water comes back.
Yeah, well, that's good.
Because there was definitely a...
See, this is close.
Okay. There's definitely a pool of water there. Let's see what we got here. I saw something. I'm seeing things as I get older. I'm seeing things, you know?
But that's what you got to look forward to. When you get older, you need to see more things.
Becoming delusional, you know? Wow. That was weird. Where was that water coming from? We're gonna find out.
Oh, good. I'd like to find out myself.
It might take a while though for this water to creep through these cracks.
Well, it doesn't take long, I'll tell you that.
Doesn't take long?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, it definitely should be grouted again, but
Definitely should be grouted, that's for sure. Where this is pulling right here, and you see it running down. See if I could show you. You see it running down here?
Yeah.
It's running down here, and this is where the water was when I moved this flower pot. And it's hard to see because you got the white tile. It's hard to see the water.
Right.
But look at this now. It's starting to pool here. You got good eyes, huh? You probably got better eyes than me. You know, I was born with cataracts in both eyes.
What?
I was born with cataracts in both
Okay.
eyes. No, I'm not kidding.
Well, you hadn't taken care of things.
Oh yeah, when I was the right age, the age of 16 to get them done. Yeah.
You're kidding, that's strange.
Yeah. Yeah, I was messed up. I tell you, I'm messed up. I'm still messed up.
Well, yeah, but that's nothing to do with the cataracts. You don't blame the cataracts on that.
No. You know, those are the cards I was dealt with. That's right. That's right.
They're trying to figure it out too.
That's right.
And if I find out, I'm not going to tell them.
Yeah. Hey, John, look, you see the water coming out now more? You see it?
Yeah, but that's a fucking drip. Come on, Mike.
Yeah, but if you don't wipe it down, after a week, look at the water, John. Look at the water.
That's not even worth looking at. Give me a break, will you? My eyesight's great.
You don't see that water?
I do.
You don't think that's your problem?
No.
That's your problem.
Well, hey, if that's my problem,
Look at that water. Come on, John. Look at that. If you don't wipe that up for a week, that water's going to pool right here. It's going to go down these little cracks and everything.
No, but this happens like on a daily basis. Jesus Christ.
Well, yeah, John, if you have this flower pot here, you're going to tell me you see that water?
Of course you can't see it.
Of course. It's been sitting there for months. It's been sitting there for months. I guarantee you.
Just a minute, we had the cleaning lady 2 days ago. She cleans the whole fucking place.
When does she come? Every 2 months?
Every 2 weeks.
So that's what happens. Look at the water pooling there.
I'm the one that running the damn shower, not her.
Look at that.
Well,
Are you hanging out with her in the shower here?
No,
You
no,
both
no,
go in there in the shower at the same time?
My wife and those forgive me.
I'm only John, look at that water.
She'll come right out of her grave and tell her.
God bless her. Rest her soul. She was a lovely lady. She's a lovely lady. She's still in here. She's still in this house right here.
Oh, you see, there's a jacuzzi for her right there.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
For the cleaning lady?
No. Am I right?
John, look at all that water. And that's right by the laundry chute. And that's where your pink bucket is,
Well,
right there.
I hope you're absolutely right.
You know what? If I'm not right, I'll give you your money back.
Hello, please. That's
That's a good deal.
Yeah.
That's a good deal. If I'm wrong, I'll give you your money back.
I'm not looking for that. I like the problem solved. That's all I want.
That's got to be it, John. Look at this. Look at the water pooling here. You're a big guy. You're 6 foot tall. How tall are you? 5'11"?
Well, I'm 5'11" now. I used to be 6'1".
Well, they said smoking stunts your growth. Do you believe that? Were you a
I don't
smoker?
smoke.
All right, good. So that's not your problem then.
Well, I have other problems.
Yeah, I know, but you look great though. John, I'm contributing to that.
Good.
All righty, we're gonna pull this drain cover, pull this drain plug, and we're gonna watch this baby drain. You know what water does to steel? Man, it rots the hell out of my tools. Wow, look at that drop. Wow, look at that. You can't get better than that. Whoever plumbed this bathroom in did an A+ job.
I was very lucky. I had a good contract.
Yeah,
good people.
He vented this whole bathroom. I saw the vent for the shower, the vent for the toilet. He did a really great job. But here is the problem, John. Absolutely. That's your problem. I would keep this away from that corner and watch every 2 days you take a shower, that water's going to show up there.
Well, hopefully by then you'll fix the goddamn thing, so I wouldn't have to look at it.
Well, no, I can't fix it. I don't regroute the thing, you know? I don't regroute it, you know?
You know?
Yeah, the things I do for money is I don't grout it. I don't silicone it. You know, I probably won't even do it in my own house. I'll have somebody do it, you know?
Right. Okay, I'll have it taken care of.
That's your problem. Do you still want to change this shower cartridge?
Yes.
Okay, what do we got here? You sure you got the right one? How did you get the model number for this guy?
Because I have all the paperwork there.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Alright. Let's remove this John here. And let's change this cartridge. I bet you this thing's got internal stops to Grohe a bit better. Alright. So we got the stops closed, the retaining clip off, and we're gonna pull this shower cartridge right out. Let's see. She's a crusty one. She's a crusty one. Let's see. Oh yeah, she's in there. Let's see. The water is off. We confirm that from here. See if we can pull this guy out. There's no one. Okay, let's thread it in there. Let me get my socket. And let's, this came with a new snap ring right there. But let's get my socket because you see these machine threads right here? We're gonna put our socket right onto here. It looks like 3/4 socket right here. Let's see if I can get it with the Nipix. It's okay if we damage it because he's not using it no more. Let's put this here. Let's see if we can get this guy out with the Nipix. I doubt it, but we're gonna try. Nope, it won't fit. All right, let me get my socket for this guy. All right, so guys, I got my Proto faucet box here, which I like. I'm gonna grab some of these stem wrenches. That should do it for that socket there. All right. Let's grab these stem wrenches and let's see if we can get this thing out. Let's see. All right, and let's see. Nope. Wow, look at that. First one. Let's get that on there. And let's back this thing out. Let's see. I had to get my stem wrenches.
What?
Oh, wow. She's in there. I had to get some of my stem wrenches.
Oh.
Yeah. You have a set of these?
No.
They're good to have. They do the job, you know?
Yep.
They sure do the job. Well, this one looks a little deformed. But let's try again. Nope.
What are you
She's in there. Call me. What do they want from me? All right, let's let this water get out of here. Whoa. I don't feel like getting wet today. You know?
Why not? It's a nice day to get
It
wet.
is a nice day out here. How far are you from the beach? Or the bay? Where's the bay?
The bay is only about a mile away.
Bay's a mile away. You want to see how crusty this thing is?
Yeah, no.
It's as old as me.
No, I don't think so, my friend.
I don't think so. How long do you think Grohe's been around for?
Oh.
They've been around longer than you.
You better believe it.
Yeah. 92 years? Absolutely. Oh man, now this thing want to give me a problem. It's all crusty, John. It's all crusty. She's not going to want to come out. You think she's going to want to come out?
Well, I'm going to fix it.
Oh, we're going to fix it, all right. We're going to throw it right in the Mongo pail. You know what the Mongol pail is?
No.
That's our scrap metal pail.
Oh.
Yeah. They charge, or you can collect a certain amount of dollar based on the market for brass and copper.
Okay.
And this guy is a solid piece of brass.
Yeah.
Jeez. There you go. Souvenir.
Yeah.
Holy shit is right. Holy shit is right.
That had to be replaced.
Holy shit is right. Wow, that's a solid valve though, man. It's a nice valve. What'd they charge you for that piece?
I think it was about $170.
Oh yeah. That's worth more than some of these shower valves out here that people are putting in.
Oh no, I have no doubt about it.
How's the screen look on that one? Look at the screen there.
So
Look at all the particles in there. Yeah. That's why, you know, you get what you pay for.
Yeah. You know why I got that? I got it because at the time, I don't know if you noticed, there's a graduated dial on the unit.
Yeah.
So you could set it at whatever temperature you want it, and it'll stay there. And this way you turn the shower on, it's always at that temperature.
Right. Temperature and pressure balanced. That's pretty nice. But let me see what you have it set. Did you mess with that one?
What do you mean?
Did you mess with this
No,
one?
there's no setting of it. I'm saying when
On the handle.
on the handle.
On the handle, right.
It's a graduated handle.
Right.
No, I didn't do anything with it except put it in.
Because there's numbers on here.
Oh yeah, well that's the numbers I got. That's how I
I
ordered
want
it.
to see this. There's numbers on here. You got 1, 2. Well, maybe that's the model number. That's got to be the
There's a
model. Part number.
47,730.
0835. No, that's not it. I wonder what these numbers on here. XX. Interesting.
This is what Grohe wanted for 278.
278. Yeah. Wow.
I bought it for 170.
Yeah. All right. The way it came out is the way it's going in, John.
Good.
All right.
I'm happy.
Let's get our tool. Our stem wrench. Let's put this guy in here.
What do you use for it?
You got your wrench here, close by? I'll use it.
No. Bullshit.
I'll use it. Those are big shoes to fill, though, man. You use that wrench. That's you know. You got some big shoes to fill. You're an engineer, right?
Yeah.
Mechanical engineer.
Yeah.
Those are a dime a dozen. Those guys. It's hard to find a good one. Just like a plumber, it's hard to find a good plumber.
Absolutely.
You better believe it.
I don't doubt it.
You know, you gotta trust the guy that tells you he's gonna be there at a certain time, and he calls you when he's going to, and he does it. He's a man of his word, you know.
Well, I think it's great that you did that.
Yeah, you know. We call that professionalism, you know.
Right.
Good etiquette. People don't know what that is today. It's very sad out here. It's very sad. Now, what do you think? This is going to give me a problem now? I believe it was just like that. And this is probably going to give me a problem. It's not threaded. Definitely not threaded.
Yeah, you got an outside thread there,
Wow, an outside thread.
Yeah, you see that? I mean,
Did you ever see a reverse thread?
yeah,
They're pretty cool. Or a running thread?
I've seen reverse thread.
Reverse thread, running thread.
What's a running thread?
Running thread just, it's not tapered. It's not tapered, it's just the same width throughout the whole thing. It'll just keep spinning and spinning and spinning.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, don't push it, just rotate it.
Yeah, we're trying to find that groove.
You'll find it. Put some hair on it.
Put some hair on it, right? I like the way you think, man. Hey, you should come work with me. What do you think?
I don't work.
I pay very well.
It's a right-hand thread. Just rotated right clockwise.
Yeah, there's no thread. There's just grooves on there. Look, you see? Look, I got it. Look, you see the grooves? You see the teeth in there? You see the teeth around there? It's good.
That's right.
You want to try it, John?
It's a little. Yeah.
You want to try it?
No,
Try it.
You're right.
I believe you. Trust. I believe you. Try it. See if you can get it on there. Maybe I should spray it. Yeah, you know what a wise man once told me?
No.
When you don't use your brain no more, you're dead. So we gotta keep working. We gotta keep, keep the mind
Me
going.
working.
90.
Sharing the goddamn bill? Holy shit. You want me to, this should be vertical. A little dented here.
Yeah,
Just straighten it up.
yeah. But I think you're gonna get it.
Yeah, this should be straight up.
Straight up, right? I think you're gonna get it. Oh, I think you got it. Good job. I heard it.
That was
Wow. I think you got it, John. Good job. Good job.
It popped off.
Oh, it did. John, put some elbow grease in it.
No, that's not like it's trying to find the damn thing.
It's like finding a needle in a haystack. I think you got it. I think so. John, I don't want to think anymore at my age. I sure as hell don't want to think no more. That's why I can't find good help. I find help for a couple days and they leave. It's good to have help because I don't have to think all the time.
I don't think you want the help to think you want to do work.
Are you calling me lazy?
You're probably the reason they're leaving us.
You think so, John? Hey, I like the way you think,
Guys working me too hard.
Hey, they did say, though, if you wanted to be a boss, you have to be somewhat of an asshole.
That helps.
That helps, right?
Yeah.
You can't be too nice out here.
You have a pair of pliers.
Pair of pliers.
Straighten this out.
There you go. All right.
I have small pliers.
Smaller ones?
This is going to hang up over here.
Yeah, that's how it was before, but you want me to try to straighten it out for you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, just bite it a little bit and bend it up if you can. There you go. Beautiful. Beautiful thing. You know what they say? Let's do yours next.
What do they say?
That's my slogan. Let's do yours next.
Hmm.
You like that?
Oh, yeah.
There we go.
This will cleanse it.
Right.
And if I took the filters,
Right.
they have a plastic wax filter here,
Right.
and I replaced that, I'd have a new part because in truth, the brass is not going to wear. And once I clean it,
Right. You clean it, get all the calcification off of
Yeah.
it. Yeah.
it
Yeah.
but again, who the hell's going to go through all that trouble?
Right. No, you're doing the right thing. You're doing the right thing because sometimes these cartridges, I can't even get them out. I'd have to drill them out. I'd have to cut them out.
No kidding.
But if you change it every 5-10 years,
No, but this is longer than 5 or 10
oh,
years.
I can tell. Yeah. But if you change it every 10
It's an
years,
expensive goddamn thing to change.
I know.
Not only for the work you got to do for it.
Absolutely. Absolutely. You're sure about that? All right, let's see. All right, let's put the trim on the handle. And let's get him some hot water. Okay, put this in there. Get our screwdriver. Put this in there. Okay. All right. Wow, I like it. For an old Grohe shower valve, I really like it. I like it because it's good quality. It's durable and it feels strong. The only thing I don't like is the crystal handle.
What?
I don't know. I want to say it looks cheap looking, but it's really solid. It's really nice.
Those things that always looks clean. If you took a metal piece or something.
Yeah.
Well, the old, what about the...
Here's the old snap ring.
Good.
But yeah, this is really a nice, solid shower valve. All right, let's put that this way. And let's turn it on and see what we got. Oh, you see all the crud coming out of there?
Yeah. Oh, look at that shit.
Yeah, what do you like it set at? You like your showers hot? 70? You want to mess with the temperature? Sure. Go for it. And then I'll clean this area up for you. If I take this down for you, you can feel that water. You want to feel it, John? Does that feel like it's cold? Yeah?
Yeah, I can adjust it.
Okay, very good. All right, John. I think we did good today. I think we figured out your leak down there.
So you believe the leak is as a result of this?
Yeah, absolutely, John.
Now,
Absolutely.
what do I do with regard to getting it?
Getting it sealed off? Yeah, I can give you a number to a gentleman that I work with. His name is Mike also. He'll come here and he'll be more than happy to help you regrout it. He'll rip out all the old grout, all the old silicone.
Right.
He'll seal it around the shower door. He'll do everything you need to prevent this water from coming out again. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So when I leave here, I'm going to call him and I'm going to have him call you. You know, he's a nice guy. His name is Mike too, you know?
Yeah, but shit, is everybody who knows his name is Mike?
Name is Mike is a good name, you know?
Are you sure he's not related to you? His name is
He doesn't look like me. Sometimes he acts like me, but no, he's a good guy and he'll help you out.
Good.
He sure help you out.
Leave it alone. I have to clean that out.
I thought you had the cleaning lady come. Where is she?
Yeah, but you're a poor substitute for the thing.
Yeah. I like the way you think. Should I put the handicapped seat back? Alrighty. Does it really look like me on there?
I think it does.
No, these are a lot more grayer than on that truck.
Yeah, but he did a little touch up there.
You need a little touch up, right? A little TLC.
I think you need a little bit of you'll get a little darker and
Get a little
put a little dye in it. What the hell's people doing for their head?
Women are telling me salt and pepper looks good. They lied to me then. They lied to me, John. Let's do yours next, baby. 646-423-2174.